Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, in the sales department at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. This video is for those that just bought their brand new Honda Civic Hatchback EX-L. I'm going to show you guys how to customize your vehicle settings so when you drive off the lot, you're set for success. All you have to do is show it off to your friends and family, all right? Now let's go answer those questions, how to personalize your vehicle settings now. All right, so here we are, right inside of the vehicle. We got it on and running. Just show you guys the basic controls you're gonna be messing with to mess with your driver's interface so we can change our vehicle settings. It's gonna be right here. You get this whole little wheel deal. Just kind of roll up, to scroll up, scroll down, to scroll down, and then you push that into enter. And then home menu will take you back to your home screen, all right? So we're gonna be looking over here on the left-hand side, as you guys can see. Right over here is what we're looking for. We're gonna scroll to settings, select settings, and then we got your vehicle settings right here. Now we're going to scroll down. The first thing that's going to pop up is your tire pressure monitoring system calibration. So if your tire pressure light ever comes on, tell you get out there, double check it, make sure it's at the correct PSI. If not, adjust it, then you can reset it from here. To reset that is going to be easy. All you have to do is scroll up, then hit calibrate, and then boom, there we go. So it resets from there, from that point. Now we can hit the back button. Scroll down. Next thing we're going to have is your driver's assist system setup. So this is all of your safety features that we can customize here. You got your forward collision warning distance. You can select the distance here between a couple options when it's going to warn you that you're going to hit an object in front of you, all right? I would encourage you to refer back to your owner's manual to tell you the exact measurements, but you know, American Honda has it set to a default for normal for a reason, so I'm going to leave it there for the next customer. There we go. Push that in. I selected it. We'll scroll down here. You got your ACC, forward vehicle detection beep. So when we have your adaptive cruise control, ACC, and when you're driving and finds a car in front of you, it's gonna beep at you and say, hey, I found a car. I like that. So I'm gonna turn that on. So now I know why I'm slowing down from 35 to 33 or 30 miles an hour, because it found a car in front of us. Now we're gonna scroll down here. You got a road departure mitigation. This is gonna be the sensitivity on your lane keep assist, stuff like that. So, as you go in and out of your lanes, or you can have it as warning only. So with your road departure, when you go out of your lane, do you want it to have it as warning only? Or do you want to give you a little slack so it's kind of a wide view? Or do you want it to kind of be more narrowed in to keep you in the center of your lane? All right, I'm going to keep it on normal. Now we're going to scroll down to your lane keeping assist suspense beep. So simply as you're driving down the road, you're going out of your lane a little bit, right? It beeps at you. This is the beep. You turn that on or off as it brings you back. I'm going to turn that on. Now, as we're going through this, guys, there's no right or wrong answers. It really comes down to your personal preference, what you want for your vehicle, okay? Honda does a really good job allowing you to customize things you do and don't want. Blind spot information system. I'm going to keep it on this one because a lot of people like this one from what I've been hearing back from the customers. But if you just want a visual, you can. You have the audible. So let's say we're driving down the road, right? And there's a car in our blind spot. This right here lights right up for you, okay? Now, only time it talks back to you is when you're driving down and the car is in your blind spot. Then you use your turning indicator, right? Then it's going to beep at you while giving you a visual too as well. So let's keep that on there like that. We'll select that. It'll take us right back out of the menu. We'll scroll it right back down. You got your traffic sign recognition system display. As simple as you're driving down the road, it catches a speed limit sign. We'll throw it right up here for you in the center so you know, hey, it's 45 miles an hour, right? So do you want that on or off? Is pretty much the options you're going to have. I'm going to keep it on. I like the little reminder. Or just in case if I didn't catch that speed limit sign. I'm out there exploring new areas. Now you got your traffic sign recognition exceeding speed limit warning. So what that means is, let's say we found a speed limit that says 35 miles an hour, and then do you want it to warn you once you exceed that speed limit? I'm going to say, yeah, let's have it warn me. For some reason, maybe I'm in deep conversation over here yelling at my kids, Cameron and Zoe or Lucy, they're arguing about something. And help me kind of refocus on what I'm doing on the road. Now, here we are with the speed limit warning threshold settings, okay? So as I'm going over the speed limit, right, when do I want it to warn me? When I go on 3 miles and over of that 35, so I'm going 38, 5, you know, so I'm going 40 over that, you know, or 10. So there we go. So you guys can select whatever you want from there. Now we're going to scroll right back down again to driver's attention monitor, okay? So somehow this vehicle is going to know when you are doing a very bad job at driving. Maybe because you're just super tired, you can't even see, who knows what the case is. You probably want the car to do everything in its power for your safety to alert you to pull over, take a break, take a nap, or whatever the case might be, all right? So you have a couple options here. I'm gonna put it on everything here, so the car will do everything in its power to alert me, Chris, take a break. Now we're gonna scroll right back down. That's everything from there. Now we're gonna come down to meter setup. Let's select that. You got your languages. For obvious reasons, I'm going to keep it to English just because that's what I can read. There we go. Give you outside temperature. If you want to fine tune this, you can. It's right here, 42 degrees right now this afternoon. You have a 5-degree swing either way if you guys want to fine tune that, all right? I'm going to keep it on the default. You got your trip A and trip B. When do you want those to reset? So maybe you guys are pretty big on that. Do you want to reset every time you refuel? When you shop the car? Or just manually? All right. Trip B is going to be the same exact thing. So we're going to pass that. Adjust your alarm volume. So this is like when you hit the panic button or you turn in indicators, stuff like that. How loud do you want that stuff to be, okay? I'm going to keep it on mid. I'm sure my wife would tell me I need it on high because of my selective hearing. We'll come down here to your fuel efficiency backlight. So this is going to be simple on or off, okay? So right now it's on. Let's say if we are driving down, there's going to be a green bar that's going to come right up here to let you know, hey, you're being fuel efficient. It's a visual coaching saying, good job, Chris, you're amazing. Or it's going to be gone, it's going to be white or disappear and saying, hey, you're not being fuel efficient. All right, so on or off. Doesn't do anything except for a visual coaching, so I'm going to keep it on. Why not? Always trying to level up my fuel efficiency. All right, so we got your rear seat reminder. So every time we get in the car, someone plays with the back door, gets in and out, right? When I shut the car, it's gonna say, hey, Chris, check your rear seat. So maybe I put some supplies back there, or maybe I got the kids tag along with me, or a pet, you know, whatever. It's gonna remind me to double check that. So it's on or off. I'm gonna keep that on. Doesn't do any harm. I'm gonna come right back here for speed and distance. So you got your miles, then you got your kilometers right there. I'm gonna keep it on miles. You got your tachometer right here. I'm gonna keep that on. So when I have pretty much, it's gonna be right up here. Your tachometer is gonna come around that. So it's gonna be kind of nice, little visual. If you want to clean it up a little bit and not have that on there, you can select off. Might be the last one there. Yep, back button. Now you have your keyless access setup as your next option here. Let's select that. So door unlock mode, okay? So we got the key fob probably in your pocket, your purse, your jacket. You walk up here to the car, put your hand in the handle, right? Which of these options do you want the doors to unlock? Just the driver's side door only? It'd be kind of great if it's just you most of the time in the car. You know, get to your car maybe after hours, stuff like that. Just have that additional security. Or all doors. Maybe the whole family, everyone gets in and out of the car all the time. All right? This comes down to your habit. Let us know what works best for you guys. Now you're going to have your keyless flash right here. So simply when the door's unlocked, stuff like that, you want a visual confirmation that the door's unlocked or locked. I'm gonna say, yep, let's keep that on. A lot of visuals as possible. All right, keyless access beep. So when the door is unlocked or door is locked, stuff like that, do you want a little beep? You put your hand in the handle, right? Do you want it to beep at you? Yeah, I want it to beep at me. Let's do it. So because there's going to be a delay when I put my hand in the handle for the keyless access, and I want my little son, 5-year-old son, to be yanking on the handle. He's going to be knowing to listen for that beep. Remote start, for any particular reason on God's green earth, you want to turn that off, you can. So you cannot use remote start. I'm going to keep it on just because we're here in Iowa. Winter is right here now. Now that's everything from there. Now from that point, we're going to come down to lighting. Auto beams, high beam, on or off. Let's keep that on. Interior light dimming time. So we just shut the car, got out of the car, shut the door, boom, an X amount of time. When do you want your dome lights or interior lights to turn on? 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or 60 seconds? Hey, the default 30 sounds amazing to me. Should be plenty of time for me to grab my stuff from the back or any from the hatch. Headlight right here, auto timer off. So I shut the car, shut the door in X amount of time, my headlights will turn off. You want to be 15, 30, 60, or 0. 15 seconds is a pretty good average for a lot of people, so I'm going to keep it on 15. You get out of the car, boom, you shut the door, 15 seconds, allows me to get in and out wherever I'm going and see where I'm going from that point. So 15 seconds. If you guys want more of a detailed walk around, check out my walk around video. It shows you guys all the cool standard features and functions, all right, on this particular vehicle. We have the auto light sensitivity. So when you get your headlights on auto, right, between day and nighttime, how sensitive or how soon do you want your headlights to come on? I'm going to keep it on the default. I don't see any reason myself to play around with that. All right, so we have auto headlight on with wipers. So let's say I got my wipers come on with my headlights on auto, boom, headlights will automatically come on no matter what time of day or night it's going to be. So let's keep that on, I like that. It's one thing I definitely would encourage you guys to do. Hit the back button, then we're gonna scroll all the way back down to door setup, all right? So you got your door, right here, auto door lock. We just got in the car. We're about to drive off to go show off to your friends, your family, or whatever. When do you want your doors to lock? Is it with speed? When you shift from park to reverse or whatever the case is going to be to drive? Or have that off, you just have to do it the old-fashioned way. Just hit the lock button on the door, all right? Now this is just the opposite. Auto door unlock. So let's say you arrive to where you're going, maybe here at the dealership to talk to me, Crazy Honda Chris. Chris, I have a question. You're about to get out of your car. When do you want your doors to unlock for you? So I like this one just because for myself, it's just me in the car most of the time, 9 out of 10 times. I shut the car, I open up the door, all doors automatically unlock. 5-year-old son can't get out in just in case if he tags along. Maybe this one would be great for the wife. She's running the errands all the time, taking kids with us all the time with her CRV. So when you shift to park right away, boom, all the doors automatically unlock so they can jump out for school and activities and stuff from that point. Then you have all doors when you shut off the car or have it off. Once again, no wrong answer. It just comes down to what best accommodates your family or your needs, all right? All right, so here we are. We got the key and remote unlock mode. So you got the key fob with you. Hit unlock once. Do you want all doors or do you just want the driver's side door? A lot of times people keep it on driver's side door only because if you double tap unlock twice, right, all doors automatically unlock. Now we have the walkway auto lock feature. I love this feature because I'm pretty forgetful. So let's say I got the key fob with me, right? It's in my pocket, my purse, my jacket. I walk away. I run into the place to get supplies. Did I lock the door? Well, you know what? If you have this enabled, because when you get 10 feet away with the key fob, no key fob left in the car, it locks all the doors for you. All right. The only bad part about this, if I want to pretend that I'm busy in the garage and I want to play around with the car, inside of the house, I have a hook for my key. I have to go get that key fob and unlock it. and make sure I have the key fob with me in the car if I want to get in and out. All right, that's the only negative I can think about this, but definitely worth it. I don't have to second guess myself. Now we have the keyless lock answer back. So pretty much when it locks up, you want it to beep at you, right? Let's have it beep at you. So we have the keyless remote power window control. As you guys all know, this really cool tip and trick is you hit unlock and hold unlock down. It simply rolls down the windows, right? So double tap and hold the unlock button. Do you want that on or off? Very common question. I'll keep it on right now just for showing it off. We have the lockout prevention. I have a separate video I'm going to post right up here in the corner. Click that, it goes more in detail about this particular setting, okay? Pros and cons about it. Do you want this on or off? I'm going to keep it on. Now that's everything from there. Then we're going to scroll down a little more. Looks like we're down to maintenance by the looks of it here. Yes, we are. So, maintenance. Oops. Hit the wrong button. Just bear with me here quick, guys. Here's your maintenance reset. So let's say if you got any maintenance, stuff like that, it's going to show it right up here for you. And what items you can reset as they appear. Now here's your tachometers I was showing with you guys in the beginning. You can also choose what you want right up here, so available, so you can play around with. Everything is up there and you can access that from there. Guys, thanks again for watching my video. Hopefully it was very helpful to answer all of you guys' questions. For any particular reason, if I missed anything or if you guys have any questions, drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions quick and efficiently as possible, okay? Well, thanks again for watching, guys, and congratulations again on your awesome new Honda Civic Hatchback. See you guys at the next video. Bye-bye.